I'm Freya. I'm one of the Math League staff members, and I'm super excited to present to you one of our team round questions, Team 7. So let's get that set up. So in a mathleague.org relay round, this is something you're going to see in your high school contest. We hope you will continue with us throughout, and you'll get to compete in this round. Members of a 3-person team pass whole number answers between 0 and 99 inclusive to each other. So during a given round, Marcella passes an answer to Cassie, who then passes Cynthia an answer. So we see something like this. So we've got Marcella who at her front top, and she's now going in and passing an answer to Cassie, and then Cassie passes it to Cynthia. So that's how this works. And yeah, so Cassie passes Cynthia an answer equal to the remainder when 37 more than 4 times Marcella's answer is divided by 100. So we'll figure out what that means later. Finally, Cynthia obtains a final answer of 5. So Cynthia finally will go and submit 5. By calculating the remainder when 94 more than 1/3 of Cassie's answer is divided by 100. So let's say that Cassie's answer is K and Marcella's answer is M. So these variables will just help us keep track of things, make them a little bit easier to see. Okay, so let's go back and see what we said. So we saw that Cynthia obtains a final answer of 5 by calculating the remainder when blah, blah, blah. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that 5 is equal to 94 plus 1/3 of K when that, like the remainder, when divided by 100. Okay, so what can we do? Let's first subtract the 94 from 5, which is the same thing as adding 6. So we add 6 to both sides. That basically means that we're going to change the 94 into a 100, and that's going to become a 0. And then 5 plus 6, then we get what's going to happen is that 11 then becomes 1/3 of K, or that's that remainder. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So what we can do is start adding 100s until it is. So if we add 100, here, we're going to get 111. And 111, so you see 1 plus 1 plus 1, that adds up to a sum of 3. So that means that this is divisible by 3. Yay! So what is 111 divided by 3? You've probably memorized this. And 111 is 37 times 3. So we have 37, and that's K. Cool. So now we need to continue working backwards. So we can go back even earlier. So Marcella passes an answer to Cassie, and whichever Cassie passes is equal to the remainder when 37 more than 4 times Marcella's answer is divided by 100. So Cassie passed K, and that means that 37 is then going to be the same thing, this remainder over here. And actually, let's just move down a little bit lower. Sorry about that. So our 37 then is going to be equal to 37 plus 4 times Marcella's answer. So 37s go bye-bye. And now we want to find the sum of all possible values of Marcella's answer. So basically what that means is that for M is divisible by 100, and it's also between 0 and 99 inclusive. So M can be equal to 0, of course. Well, we know that 25 times 4 is 100, so that can work. And it turns out that, like, what else? We can think about multiples of 25 because we know 25 times 4 is 100. Then anything that's a multiple of 25, 25 times 2, 25 times 3, etc., is still going to work. So that's going to be then 50 and then 75. That's 25 times 2 and 25 times 3. Add that all up, and then we can have that that's going to be equal to 150. And that's our final answer. Yay! Hope you enjoyed that presentation.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.